Right, we've got some home improvements going on. There's a few changes happening downstairs in the factory. We thought we'd make it look a little bit more neat and a little bit more tidier. We're always looking to improve, always investing back in the business. So in this lovely box here, I've got some banners that are going to go up with a little bit of advertising. They're going to go up around our factory. So yeah, stay tuned, watch us get these installed. Me and Zach will probably install these a little bit later. One of the improvements that we're doing. I see him. You know, I see him, mate. Now it comes up. Right, so we'll open one up. Three, two, one. What do you think?
Decent. What we got here is new shelving that's going to go in to store all the wheels, to keep them off the floor, etc. We're going to put them in and we'll show you guys what it looks like. Follow us. This is a bit heavy. This one's a bit easier. It's too heavy. Follow us. Essentially, it's just going to look like these shelves as we've got over here. It's just going to be these shelves, but we're going to bring more of them.
We're just putting up some vinyls. No, this ain't vinyls. This is called Contra One-Way Vision. So, looking that way, it blocks the vision a little bit. But looking from downstairs, looking back up, you can see. I mean, we've got the same stuff on our door, and we thought we'd just give the factory a bit of privacy because when the boys are working hard, sometimes not everything's organised. So it's just making the office seem a little bit more of a calmer, peaceful place for the customers, while all the hecticness is going on outside. I think that's the point of getting them done. Plus some free advertising space that we have. Plus the customers, I mean, if you come close enough, you can still see what we're doing. But if you were just sitting back on the other side of the room, you couldn't really see what was going on. So.
This is my car, Maserati Quattroporte. Come on, look at the wheels. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a solicitor, the best solicitor of England on wheels. But look at what they done for me. Alloyfix. Come on, can I have that car, man? This is Alloyfix. They fixed this car. Look at it. It's a brand new car. The value of this car is triple because of Alloyfix. Come on, man. Come over here and do your cars. Do your wheels. Come on. What are we waiting for? Let me get out here, baby. Throw me the key.
We've got some new racks because of obviously the store the new order, so we've brought in a new rack here, a new rack there, a new rack over there, and in the back over there where the diamond cut machine is, we've put a new rack over there. We've still got two more to install, but we just need to clear up a bit more space so we can get those racks in. We've also got this floor put in. Funny enough, it's made out of recycled tyres, so a little bit of recycling, us helping the planet, all that. Right, installations are done. Windows are looking sick. Check that out. Mezzanine floor all covered up. All the tires, all the storage covered up. Place looking all nice, sexy. Nice and sexy. That's it, we're done. Everyone's fired, go home. Especially you.